Hi everybody, welcome to another edition of James Jam. I'm Jane. This is my jam, and a happy Vlogmas to you all. I'm excited to be doing this, and happy with every time a video goes up in December, as I'm trying to do every day in December, from the 1st to the 24th. I know the 1st was successful, that's today, and had a video go up today. I'm obviously pre-filming a little bit, but have another Christmas shirt on. This is my Christmas vacation shirt. It's all nice and cute, but what I have for you today is another unboxing.
Unblitzing.
Yeah, you want to keep watching my channel. If you like collection videos and things like that, there's going to be a lot of collections during this Christmas Vlogmas, or I could almost be like a collection miss, but it won't be all collection. So, but I am going to do a, if I haven't already, because I'm not 100% sure what order this is all going to go in, but by the end of Vlogmas, you will have seen my full Coach collection, my full Portland Leather Goods collection, my full
SLG
collection, part 1, my SLG collection, part 2, my full contemporary bag collection, and my handbag collection.
And a plastic and paper bag collection.
No, no, we're not doing that. Okay. So, but sprinkled in there will be some unboxings. I know there'll be some Portland Leather Good unboxings. I have this unboxing, and then we'll throw some Christmas stuff in there too.
We're gonna make some candy and some cookies.
Yeah, cameraman's excited about that.
This is not a recording.
Right, so I'm gonna just toss this handy dandy blade off to the side here.
Oh my eye.
And stop it. This is a true unboxing. And
oh boy. Did you even use the cutter?
Yes, I did. You're so nice. Okay, maybe it just didn't. Okay, there we go. Make sure that it's not gonna show.
Several moments later.
So, this is an unboxing from Yoogi's Closet. I actually picked up 2 items. They have been just...
not to be confused with Yoogi?
No, their prices have been phenomenal and really reasonable. I've not heard stories of, horror stories of people getting fake items from them. When I first started watching videos, Minnie from Minx for All used to talk about Fashion File and Yoogi's Closet being 2 places that she... as far as she was aware of, were legitimate, not just legitimate, but, they had their items checked and there hadn't been issues with.
Were they too legit to quit?
Maybe. I've never had any issues with them. So I am going to show you what I picked up here. And I'm going to, again, toss things to the side. Now, one thing's very apparent what it is right away, and one thing's not in a box. So, whatever. So, first we're going to go, I'm going to set this off to the side.
You crushed the poor snowman.
And I got, as you all know, I love a few different Louis Vuitton things like crazy. One is the key clays. I have a number of them. And one is the 6-ring key holders. I have a few of those. And one is the mini pochette. And this is one of those. I got a lot of junks with it. I got this, I believe it's called Suhali, the Suhali collection, key clay. So if you look at this, I can see it from here. Okay, I'm trying to, it's got so many things attached to it. It actually has this beautiful blue leather, and then look at the hardware on it. Minimal scratching, the zipper is beautiful.
Is that gold or silver?
Gold. It's just got that, and Louis Vuitton's.
What's the inside look like?
Fantastic. As I get the string caught in it, the string has the little key, key claw here. This is just in fantastic shape. The sides have a white glazing or cream color. The rest of this is blue, and like I said, I believe this is from what's called the Suhali collection. Forgive the outside noise there a little bit. But this I got for, I I believe it was $92. And I thought that was a steal. And so now I have another Louis Vuitton clay from my collection. So I'm just so excited because I think that makes it, see, I have the monogram, the Damier Bean, the Azure, the green one, the Groom,
Not the
this
Azul.
one, the reverse graphite, the Damier graphite. So yeah, I love these. I put my change in here. And people, I know some people worry about things getting dirty in there. I haven't had any issues, so, I mean, not that anything stains or anything, so this is a huge win. I'm super excited about that. And now the next one looks like it comes in its own dust bag. So
Ooh.
I'm going to let you guess where this is from. Any guesses?
Is it from Knott's Berry?
No.
Oh, shoot.
And it's also not from Burberry. I don't know about you guys, but if you search for Mulberry items, which I do, they a lot of places will bring up Burberry.
Strawberry?
No.
Blueberry.
No. So in here, coming in its
Snozzenberry?
own dust bag. I saw this and I didn't get it, and I didn't get it, and I didn't get it, and then they had 15% off their whole site.
And then you got it.
That's why I got, well, yeah, the key clay. I mean, they're practically giving it away.
Uh-huh.
And I thought this was so cute. And when the 15% came off, she was mine.
Yeah, let's cover the tax.
So I got,
Oh, Lord.
stop it, this Mulberry bag with like the tartan print here. It's got the silver hardware. It has, it's kind of, it looks like it needs to be re-straightened up, but it's got this and this for holders, strap holders. It's cloth bottom here. The top, this part is leather. This is kind of like a micro suede or something there. The interior is, okay, you're never going to see it in here. It's all still like this microfiber. It's a huge hole, and then there is a,
What?
oh, stop it. There's one slip pocket in here, and then it came with the original items here, the Mulberry tags. Let's see if it's got a price on here, original.
$1.
No, retail price $578.17 or 17. It's in euros. So yeah, I think that's what it is. I got this though, and it's yeah. So here's it's got like the plaid or tartan. There's a pocket up here that has some microfiber. There's this. I believe this outside is partially wool, and it feels like wool based on my touching it. It's got leather piping.
So it'll keep all your stuff really warm.
Yeah, and then the lock. So I mean, obviously, if there's stuff in it, it's probably going to look a little bit more rounded instead of this little
Lunchbox
rooftop,
look?
like, no, I like, right, like a, like a Louis Vuitton Pochette Matisse.
That's exactly what I was thinking.
Yeah, I knew you were. And then it even has this slip pocket on the back,
To keep your phone warm.
and it's magnetic.
Oh, wow.
Look at that.
That's whack.
It is, right? So, I mean, perfect for winter, right? They got the pebbled black.
It even has some
Leather
black in
here.
it because you like carrying black in winter.
Right, exactly. I like that you listen to me. So
Were you?
it's not as showy when it's not full, but I don't care. I think it's just an absolutely fantastic bag. I'm super glad to have it.
Did you buy that new or used?
I bought it used.
Okay.
It's from Yoogi's Closet,
Okay.
so it's used, but it came with everything.
So it's used these closet?
Yeah, all the stuff, the dust bag, and Mulberry has a beautiful dust bag, and the silver hardware. Can't beat the silver hardware. So that is it. That is my unboxing, well, my 2 unboxings for you today.
So what did you pay for it, or are you going to put that in the description below?
Yeah, maybe I'll put it in I'll have to find it, because I'll have to look.
Because you can't find it?
Right, maybe I'll put it in the description down
Okay.
below, I think. And thank you so much for watching. Like I said, come back. We have videos every day this month through the 24th. And Please comment down below. I love when everybody comments. It helps me get to know everybody a little bit more. And I love the interaction between us. If you haven't already found me over on Instagram, you can find me there too at James Jam. It's JAME_S_Jam. And I think that's everything for now. Happy Vlogmas. And until next time, please do unto others as you would have them do unto you. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.
And if you're not already subscribed, please subscribe. Merry Christmas.
Thank you.